Okay, so the question 35 says that a student focused the sun rays using an optical device X on a screen S as shown. Okay, so we can see in this diagram here, this is the experiment setup, this is the screen S. Okay, and this is the device, optical device X. Okay, and these are the rays. Okay, and all these rays are focused on this screen S. Okay, so now we have to identify this optical device X. Okay, so for this, in the question we are given four options. First one is convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter, then convex lens of radius of curvature 20 centimeter, third option convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter, and last is concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeters. Okay, so now we can see here that student is focusing the rays to converge them on the screen at a point S. So here these rays are converging. Okay, and this is the property of convex lens. In convex lens basically converges the rays, whereas concave lens diverges the rays. Okay, so let's move on to the correct answer. So the correct answer is concave lens, convex lens. Sorry, convex lens. Okay. As sun rays are focused on the screen, they are converging at a point. Okay, so this is the property of convex lens. So that's why option C. Okay, and why only option C? Because in C, along with the convex lens, it is also mentioned the focal length of 20 centimeter. Okay, so since the distance between the lens and the screen was 20 centimeter, so that's why this option is correct. Okay, because it is also a property of convex lens that when the parallel rays which are close to the principal axis incoming on the lens, then they all converge at the focal point of the lens. Okay, so that's why option C is the correct one, convex lens and of focal length 20 centimeter.